The Digitex Futures Exchange will be different from other Bitcoin futures exchanges in that the house isn't constantly trying to take your money off you in the form of trading fees. Other exchanges, the more you trade, the more fees you pay to the house. And those fees aren't low either. They're not, in traditional futures markets, you pay a round turn cost on a futures trade. Cryptocurrency futures markets, you pay a percentage of the notional value of what you're buying and selling, which is insanity. The odds of you beating, if you're doing taker trades, for instance, if you're hitting bids or lifting offers, the odds of you actually making money on the fee charging Bitcoin futures exchanges is slim to zero. It's virtually impossible to make money on them. On the Digitex Futures Exchange, there are no transaction fees of any kind on any trades. So there is no mechanical edge working against traders. Absolutely no mechanical edge working against you. There is no reason why you should lose. There's no reason why you should win either, but there is no reason why you should lose. So competent, disciplined traders can come onto the Digitex Futures Exchange and have a very, very good chance of consistently earning money.